Hello there, Mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X values are 0 through 4. F of x values are given as a through 128. This T is kind of like not clear here. I just wanted to add that. So let's solve this one. F of x is equals to a times b to the power of x. We will use the first given data, f0. So a times b to the power of 0 is equals to 8. B to the power of 0 is 1. So a times 1 is 8. So technically a is 8. To find the value of b, I'm going to use the second data, which is f1. So f1 is a. The value of a we already know, which you can just put 8. B to the power of 1 is equals to 16. So this means 8b is equals to 16. To get the value of b, we will divide both sides by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So b is greater than 1. So the choice B, C will be eliminated. Choice A and D will be eliminated. And so as x values are increasing, the y values are also increasing in the same direction. So because of that, it's a growth function. So the KSS goes down. So because of that, the choice B will be the correct answer for this one. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.